We begin this evening with a primetime news special report. Long queues and even longer waiting times. That is what people seeking medical attention at the comprehensive clinic on Slipen Road in St. Andrew have had to endure for years. Those who frequent the medical facility are now speaking out. TVJ's Kirk Wright has their story.
People flock the comprehensive clinic on Slipen Road in St. Andrew each weekday for medical attention.
The clinic is a very helpful thing.
The clinic opens at 8 in the morning, but in order to beat the rush, people turn up from as early as 5 a.m. For many, the wait can be grueling. And unlike the United States Embassy in Ligonier, St. Andrew, where shelters provided for persons waiting, people at the comprehensive clinic just have to find creative ways to shield from the sun or rain. With no seating provided, the elderly is forced to sit just about anywhere they can to rest their weary legs.
Right now my foot hurting me. I'm a sick person. I don't well at all. And I have to stand up until 8 o'clock when the place open before I can go in. And when I go in, I get too early.
And it's hard for those who don't have the use of both legs. And pregnant women, they too get no preferential treatment. A vendor nearby occasionally assists the elderly with seating on a single chair. Today, it was shared by 2 women. For another elderly woman, Miss Carter, the sun was too much.
My knee hurting me, and I fall down in my house, and right here now, my side underneath here hurting me.
How long you been here now? For about how long you been here now?
If all these people standing out here come here because of some health situation, that mean them not arty as we Jamaican would say. What is the benefit of having us stand in the middle road? I've been here since about 5:30 this morning. Till now, and there are senior citizens, there are people that are amputees. There's a very a health situation here. What sense it makes for have people stand up in a side bus and the vehicle in the middle road? Something needs to be done. Something wrong with that picture there.
80-year-old Perline McLean, who says she has been at the clinic from 5 a.m., was about to urinate at the gate 5 minutes before opening time.
I can't make it come now, I've let it down.
Let it go then, Mama.
Now the security guards are working from strict instructions. They have been told that nobody should be inside before 8 o'clock. And even after that, they have to conduct detailed search to make sure that persons don't take with them inside offensive weapons like knives, umbrellas, and so on. It is hoped doing so will prevent a recurrence of a similar situation where a man seeking medical attention at the Maxfield Park Health Center, just a stone's throw away, was killed just weeks ago. But Denise, who often attends the clinic, says the people waiting are also exposed to dangers.
It's a girl in the area when I know shot can happen and people are get shot stand up waiting for going to the clinic. That's why we need the clinic for open and we need seat inside as I can go inside and sit down.
We understand that safety is a big part of the reason why people are not allowed on the compound before opening hours.
You advertise security. You have to advertise security. That is directly foolish. Because if you have a tight security, nobody is supposed to can go in here and do that because security tight.
We reached out to the administrators of the comprehensive clinic, but they did not respond to our request for comment on the issue. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.